Have you ever wondered how to house train your adorable new puppy? It can seem daunting, but with patience, consistency, and a sense of humor, it's achievable. House training is crucial for a stress-free environment. Puppies thrive on routine, so setting a regular feeding, playing, and potty schedule is your first step towards success. Watch for signs like sniffing, circling, or a focused stare. These behaviors indicate your puppy needs to go. Each puppy is unique, so learn to recognize your pet's specific signals. Choose between indoor pads or an outdoor spot based on your living situation. Consistency is key. Always use the same area to help your puppy understand where to go. Equip yourself with a sturdy leash, a comfortable collar, puppy pads, and cleaning supplies. Treats are essential for positive reinforcement, turning potty time into a rewarding experience. Start with a morning potty break, followed by post-meal breaks and a final trip before bedtime. This routine helps condition your puppy to relieve themselves at the right times. Accidents will happen. Clean up immediately with enzymatic cleaners and avoid punishment. Focus on reinforcing desired behaviors with praise and treats. House training is about building trust and understanding. Celebrate each success with treats, praise, or a new toy. These milestones strengthen your bond with your puppy. With patience and consistency, house training your puppy is a rewarding journey.